Welcome to Germany, a land of fairy tale castles, vibrant cities, breathtaking nature, and centuries of history. Whether you're a first-time visitor or returning to explore more, Germany has countless wonders waiting for you. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through the 20 must-visit places in Germany. Buckle up, grab a notepad, and let's dive in. We begin with a true icon, Neuschwanstein Castle. Nestled in the Bavarian Alps, this fairy tale castle inspired Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. From afar, it looks like something straight out of a dream. Touring the interior reveals opulent rooms and panoramic windows, framing the breathtaking alpine landscape. Take your time exploring the grounds, hiking the nearby trails, and capturing the perfect photo from the Marienbrücke Bridge. Discover the fascinating story of King Ludwig II, whose eccentric vision brought this dream to life. Next stop, Berlin. The Brandenburg Gate is not just a beautiful monument, it's a symbol of unity and freedom. Visit during the evening when it is lit up, a truly majestic sight. Nearby, explore Parisierplatz, visit the memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe, and reflect on Berlin's powerful history. Learn about its pivotal role during the Cold War and its transformation into a modern European capital. Cologne Cathedral is a Gothic masterpiece that took over 6 centuries to complete. Step inside to admire the soaring ceilings and colourful stained glass. Adventurous travellers can climb to the top for stunning views of the Rhine River. Afterward, wander the lively Altstadt, enjoy a local Kölsch beer, and admire the stunning Hohenzollern Bridge covered in lovelocks. Embark on the Romantic Road, a scenic route weaving through charming medieval towns like Rothenburg ob der Tauber, Würzburg and Füssen. Expect timbered houses, cobblestone streets and markets straight from a storybook. Take a guided tour to learn about each town's history, sample regional delicacies, and experience centuries-old traditions. Deep forests, cuckoo clocks, and enchanting villages. Welcome to the Black Forest. Explore picturesque towns like Triberg, home to the famous waterfalls, and indulge in the region's famous Black Forest cake. Visit traditional clock-making workshops, hike forest trails, and immerse yourself in local legends and fairy tales. If you're visiting in late September, don't miss Oktoberfest in Munich. It's the world's largest beer festival. From giant beer tents to traditional Bavarian music and food, it's an unforgettable experience. Spend time exploring the smaller tents, sampling different regional brews, and learning about the festival's origins in royal history. Wander through Heidelberg's romantic old town, then head up to the ruined castle overlooking the Neckar River. The views from here are nothing short of magical, especially at sunset. Join a walking tour to discover the town's rich academic history, explore hidden courtyards, and enjoy a traditional German meal along the river. In Berlin, walk along the East Side Gallery, the longest open-air gallery in the world, painted on a surviving section of the Berlin Wall. Each mural tells a story of hope, freedom, and remembrance. Visit nearby Checkpoint Charlie and dive deeper into Cold War history through engaging museum exhibits. In Potsdam, discover the splendor of Sanssouci Palace, Frederick the Great's summer retreat. Stroll through ornate Rococo halls and beautifully manicured gardens. Spend time exploring the entire park, including other grand structures like the new palace, and appreciate the art collections inside. Step back in time in Bamberg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The town's medieval charm, half-timbered houses and smoked beer, or Rauchbier, create an experience unlike any other. Explore Little Venice, the Old Court, and the imposing Bamberg Cathedral while savouring local dishes. Sail along the Rhine Valley, passing castles perched on cliffs, vineyards cascading down hillsides, and the legendary Lorelei Rock. The best way to explore? By scenic river cruise. Stop at historic towns like Bacharach and Rudolph, sample Riesling wines, and enjoy castle tours along the way. During the festive season, Nuremberg transforms into a winter wonderland. The Christmas market here is one of the oldest and most magical in the world. Attend the Christkind opening ceremony, shop for handcrafted gifts, and warm up with spicy glühwein and roasted chestnuts. Marvel at Dresden's resilience with visits to the Frauenkirche, magnificently rebuilt after World War II, and the Grand Zwinger Palace, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Explore the palace's art galleries, stunning courtyards, and the famous Green Vault. Travel to Lübeck, a medieval Hanseatic city. Famous for marzipan, Gothic brick buildings, and the iconic Holstentor Gate, Lübeck feels like stepping into a historical novel. Tour the historic merchant houses and enjoy a marzipan-making workshop. Nature lovers will adore Berchtesgaden National Park. Glide across the emerald waters of Königssee to St. Bartholomew Church, framed by towering alpine peaks. Hike to viewpoints, visit the salt mines, and explore the dramatic Eagle's Nest. In Hamburg, become a kid again at Miniature Wonderland, the world's largest model railway museum. It's a detailed, fascinating world of miniature cities, airports, and landscapes. Spend extra time discovering hidden secrets, interactive exhibits, and the impressive nighttime displays. Off Germany's northern coast lies Rügen Island. Discover stunning white chalk cliffs at Jasmine National Park and relax on sandy Baltic Sea beaches. Visit historic seaside resorts like Binz and enjoy seafood specialties fresh from the ocean. Explore the romantic Moselle Valley, where steep vineyards meet sleepy villages like Cochem. It's the perfect region for wine tasting and castle hunting. Spend time walking the vineyard trails, visiting medieval towns, and savouring local Rieslings. Finally, we end with the hidden gem Eltz Castle. Tucked away in a lush forest, this perfectly preserved medieval castle feels untouched by time. Take a guided tour to explore its rich history, intricate furnishings, and captivating legends. From soaring cathedrals to secret forests, bustling cities to tranquil lakes, Germany offers a breathtaking variety of experiences. Which place would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.